Ngiphethe uThoriso lana bafethu no
Kahle.
Phahle. Ngicela ningitshele ngegame yavandag bafethu nibone kanjani?
Game, it was a good game. Yeah, it was very good, but I felt like Ghana were a bit dominating, but they only failed to score. Yeah, and their defense was very strong. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but even Bafana too was dominating the game as well. So yeah, I would say both teams won, but yeah, both teams were better.
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu, so my brother Phahle ngicela ukukubuza, looking at the starting lineup Saturday, was there any player obu expect ukuthi liqala umdlalo wanamhlanje ongalibonanga?
Yeah, I was expecting Bogas to start the game,
Yeah.
but maybe still has a beef with the coach.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa mfethu. So can we go back to what the coach was saying about Thembi Nkosi-Lorch? Do you believe good Thembi Nkosi-Lorch is needed in the Bafana team?
Yeah, it's needed because we're lacking in the attack.
Yeah.
Yes, we need
Ngiyakuzwa.
experience,
Yeah.
club will keep experience, and also playing in the AFCON.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa mfethu. So ngicela ungitshele mfethu, coming to today's game, if you were given an authority to choose the man of the match, wozonika bani?
Mina bengizonika uSipho Mbuli.
Yeah, Master Chef.
Yeah, Master Chef. Yeah, him only.
Okay.
Maybe a policy or like Williams, or I mean that goalkeeper. I don't know his name.
Ricardo Kos. Ulove him beqala first half or second half?
First half.
Ricardo Kos.
Yeah, Ricardo Kos. Yeah, he made wonderful saves and yeah.
Alright, ngiyabonga bafethu. So iAFCON Bafana is gonna play its first game nge-22 December against Angola. Manibhekile Bafana izophelela kuphi? Izophelela kuphi on the tournament?
Maybe semi-finals or finals. Yeah, we'll see.
Wena my brother?
Yeah, my hope is that they're gonna reach the final.
Yeah, and win the cup actually.
Yes.
Bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. Bafethu PSL Pass, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.